Hi guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you guys are hungry and ready to eat. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making fried tilapia with banana fries, green banana fries. If you guys would like to see how I do this, then keep on watching. So guys, here we have our fresh caught tilapia. We've already had it cleaned, but I'm just going in with some vinegar just to take away that freshness, that rankness, to ensure that the flavor from the seasonings that we're going to add sticks to the fish. Fun fact guys, this fish was caught in the Bookament River that is on the leeward side of the island. And for those of you who might not be from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, or you're not familiar with the leeward side of the island, just research Sandals SVG and you'll get a pretty good idea as to where that is located. So now that we have thoroughly washed our fish, we are going to be following these slits to slice the fish so that we can proceed to season her up and fry her. And this is my first time actually working with a tilapia that is not store-bought, and I never knew that tilapia bones could be this challenging to work with. Alright, so now that we have sliced up our fish, we are moving on to the seasoning segment. I'm using fresh ground seasoning along with some other ground spices, store-bought ground spices. You can feel free to use whatever you like on your fish. Some people prefer salt and black pepper, some people prefer to dress it up for Christmas. I'm one of those people who prefer to dress it up for Christmas. Alright guys, personal preference, always you do you, and then we'll get back into the meat of the matter. And guys, because this fish is fresh, you really don't need a lot of seasoning. However, it's a very thick fish, and I want to make sure that the seasoning penetrates beyond the top layer. So that's the reason why you see me, going back with some extra stuff. Okay, big up all country people. Them know everybody from country has entered the chat. Green banana, pull up. Alright guys, so I'm making some green banana fries, and I never really knew about this until recently, and ever since I had it for the first time, let me tell you guys, banana cannot grow on my tree fast enough. I eat it down. So basically what you do is you get your banana, you wash it, you peel off the skin and scrape off what I grew up hearing being called the iron off of the banana, and you just cut it in half and you allow it to sit in some salt water. When you're ready to fry, you can either pat it dry, or if you are an OG like me, then you just go right ahead and dunk it into the hot oil and pray that you don't get splashed. For those of you who have never had green banana fries, I must say it is very creamy. The inside is very creamy. It tastes nothing like cooked banana or green banana chips, like plantain chip style. It tastes nothing like that. It is something entirely different. It has its own unique flavor. So if you have never tried it, I'm urging you guys to give it a go. And the banana has to be fairly young, otherwise it gets a bit coarse and it doesn't taste as good. Also, guys, if you've made it this far, I would like to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I am very sick while doing this voiceover, so if you can hear it in my voice, leave a comment and let me know what other videos that you guys would like to see me make, and I will try my best to oblige you. So this is what our fries are looking like. They look absolutely delicious, crunchy on the outside, soft and creamy on the inside. Using that same pot that we used to fry our banana, I am going to now fry our fish. And I did lose most of this footage. I don't know where it disappeared to, but I hope you guys enjoyed thus far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share the videos and share the channel overall. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit and keep on watching.